Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change my prices on Amazon. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your prices on Amazon using the Amazon web app for sellers. So the first thing to do is to open the Amazon web app and log into your Amazon Seller Center account. Here's how to head over to the Seller Center account from Amazon. Once you log into Amazon, hover over the account and list options, and you'll be provided with more options from the drop-down menu. In here, go ahead and click on Start a Selling Account. And once you click on that, it's going to take you right into this website where you'll be prompted to create your account. That's the sign up. And once you click on sign up, just follow through with the necessary prompts to register your business. All you need to do is just register your business. Just provide the legal information, correct legal information about your business, and your Amazon seller account to be set up. I do not have a registered business, so that's going to be a tough one for me. But if you do, just the steps are self-explanatory. But now, after setting up your Seller Central account, on the Seller Central dashboard, go ahead and look for the Inventory tab at the top of the page. Then hover over Inventory and select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. In the Manage Inventory page, you'll see a list of all your products. Go ahead and find the product whose price you want to change. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the product by name or by its SKU. In the product row, you'll see a price column displaying the current price of the item. Click on the current price in that column, and this will take you to enter a new price. Type in the new price that you want to set for the product. After entering the new price, click Save to apply the change. Once you save the new price, Amazon will process the update and the new price will go live on the product listing within a few minutes. Now, this is very optional. If you want to change the prices for multiple products, you can select multiple items using the checkboxes on the left. Then click the Actions drop down above the product list and select Change Price to apply price changes to multiple items at once. And that's it. Your prices are now updated on Amazon following these steps. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.